So guys, have very happy new year to all of you and I hope ये साल हम सब के लिए बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेकर आए. So let's go and start with this makeup look. So I'll be starting with prepping my bare face, and where you can easily see my puffy eyes, pigmentation and blah 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 blah. Okay, so I have applied a Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer on my skin and Juicy Chemistry Lip Balm on my lips. So I'm putting a concealer as a base on my eyelids for eyeshadow. I am really obsessed with this new palette from Huda Beauty. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette consisting of 9 shades, out of which 4 are shimmer and 5 are matte eyeshadows. So we are going to start with this tan matte shade and soft pink shade, and also going to put the same color in my crease and blend it. Now I'm going to use this dark brown and terracotta shade, mix them and put them in the outer space of the lid. Also, I'm going to take the same color in my crease and blend it together so everything looks put it together, not like one eyeshadow on top of another. Okay, doing the same on the other eye. I always diffuse my crease color with a lighter shade so it shows a beautiful transition on the crease and doesn't show like a harsh line on it or anything in the crease. So I always mix the lighter color, and also I'm taking this color from the another Obsession palette. So I'm going to put again the dark brown shade in the outer lid and make it more dark and prominent. I want my inner lid to be clear and clean, so I'm going to use that concealer and clear the inner lid space. Also setting the same with my MAC Studio Fix Compact. Now I'm taking the pink shimmery shadow from the palette and placing it just before the brown matte shade that I've put in the outer lid space. For all the shimmery shades from the palette, I would recommend you use your finger. Press a little bit, pick up the product on your finger and then dab it on your eyelid for a great payoff. I have used a silver pigment randomly available on my kit, so just place in the inner lid space, inner corner. And now I'm using Kryolan gel liner in the shade black. I think it's called Ebony. So I'm using the same for my eyeliner. After my eyeliner, I'm going to finish off my base makeup first to complete or finish my eyes. So I have primed my face and also color corrected. Now I'm using a foundation with the help of a sponge. And just a quick step showing how I do my base makeup. So now I have almost done my face makeup, and after this I am using the same gel liner and taking it in the lower lash line, outer lash line, and just smudging it. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade from the palette and placing the same color closer to my lash line After that, I'm just giving a top coat of gloss to my lips. To finish off the look, I have put on just lenses and lashes. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this makeup look. Let me know if you recreate. Do tag me on your post. See you soon. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more.